Wonderful, great. So, Sonora, you are in this area, and yes, we all know that IT service industry has been a major contributor in the Indian economy. So, what do you think are the key factors driving its growth?
First of all, thanks to the government, Indian government, because recently, last 10 years or 15 years, if you look, there's a lot of taxation exemptions and stuffs like that which has come. Like if you even look at the SECs, which has come in most of the major metros. So that has actually given us tax exemptions. So which has paved, as I told, giving an opportunities to come to India. Like the GCC, so many GCCs have come to India majorly because of that. Look at the internet cost. So last 10 years, it has drastically, dipped down. So that also has helped us to connect with the world, with the global economy, and that is also a rising factor for us. Look at the amount of engineering institutes which are there in India. So the amount of talent pool that we have in India compared to the other nations is much more, and the flexibility of the people out here. So I would give appreciation to the culture that we have, the Indian culture, the way we have been brought up. We are very flexible. So that is one of the advantage that has helped the Indian population or the IT industry to flourish so much. Our students or our emerging IT folks, they are very adaptable compared to the other nations. So that's one of the advantage that we have. Look at the STEM type of the education that we have: science, technology, engineering, maths. All of those things are starting off even from the mid-level of their studies. Right from 8th standard, I think all of those things are being inculcated in our curriculum. So these are few of the advantages that I see. At the same time, the time zone advantage that India has, because most of the companies with which India works at this point of time is the North American clients or the European clients. So, if it is like night here, then it's day there. So probably with all that shift, it is helping. And again, the European time zone, it's hardly like 4 to 5 hours difference. So that is also giving us an advantage to grow the IT industry. Yeah, these are few. I mean, I'm sure there are multiple things, but then these are like few things which has suddenly come into my mind.
Okay, great. So you have beautifully listed out the major ones, like the taxes, the policies, culture, the STEM education that we are having, and even the time zone. So wonderful. So these are some of the things that brings India to the level that we offer our services to the entire world. Any other strengths that comes to your mind?
Strength is mainly, I would say, the talent pool that we have in India. See the amount of people that we have, the growth that we have seen, the flexibility, as I have mentioned earlier. People come out of college, they just don't sit back and say that, I'm an engineer, I'm an IT professional. They go out, try and inculcate the knowledge. A lot of companies are even, supporting now with platforms, trying to help them to upskill on various technologies and stuff like that. So I think those are the flexibility which the Indian culture has is helping them to grow compared to the other nations.
So on one side we talk about the culture and all that. Yes, that is something which is helping, and also the education and the focus on such things are there, taxes and everything that is there.